When your roof suddenly leaks or takes a hit from a storm, time is critical. Ignoring the problem can lead to expensive, even dangerous consequences. Water intrusion, structural damage, and even mold can set in fast. That's why knowing what to do in an emergency roof repair situation is so important. Now, not every roofing issue is an emergency, but some situations demand immediate attention. Severe leaks during heavy rain, fallen tree limbs or debris, damage from fire, lightning, hail, or strong winds, these all put your home at risk. If the safety of your home or family is threatened, or if serious damage could develop within hours or days, it's an emergency. Delaying repairs can be costly. A small leak might not look serious, but water spreads quickly. It can rot wood, damage insulation, and weaken your home's structure. Mold can even start growing in less than 48 hours. Quick action helps you avoid structural collapse, electrical hazards, health risks, and skyrocketing repair costs. When roofers arrive for an emergency call, they often start with temporary fixes, things like placing tarps, securing loose shingles, or sealing visible leaks. Once the weather clears and conditions are safe, permanent repairs or even full replacement can be scheduled. This two-step approach ensures immediate protection while giving you long-lasting peace of mind. So, what usually causes these emergencies? Severe weather, fallen trees, aging materials, poor installation, or skipped maintenance are the biggest culprits. The good news is, many emergencies can be prevented. Regular roof inspections, clearing gutters, trimming tree branches, and replacing damaged shingles go a long way in protecting your home. If you do face sudden roof damage, here's what to do. First, stay safe. Don't climb onto the roof during a storm. Inside, contain leaks with buckets or tarps. Document the damage with photos for insurance. Call a licensed roofer right away, and then notify your insurance company. Quick reporting makes the claims process much smoother. Professional roofers bring the tools, experience, and safety knowledge to handle emergencies correctly. They stabilize dangerous situations, provide inspections, and guide you on repair or replacement options. While emergency services cost more than scheduled repairs, the price of waiting is almost always higher. A $500 repair today could turn into thousands in structural damage if ignored. Roofing emergencies can happen without warning, but with the right response, you can protect your home, belongings, and family. If your roof has suffered sudden damage or you suspect a serious leak, don't wait. Contact Barry Roofing and Solar. Their experienced team is ready 24/7 to provide fast, reliable solutions that keep your home safe and secure. Call at 951-905-5116 to schedule your emergency inspection and protect your property from further damage.